Being a mum of 3 who used to be a kindy teacher, I've learned a few things about kids' parties. The first thing to remember is to start a checklist. Decide who you want to invite, including friends and family. Decide on a cake, theme, and when the invitations need to go out. Now, it's far easier to create your own decorations than you'd imagine. It's kind of rewarding as a mum too, knowing that you'll leave a lasting impression on your kids, their friends, and impress all the mums. Avery Design and Print Online is free to use and has a library of templates ready to go. You can edit the templates or even load your own. But as my little man's train mad, this is perfect. These are bag toppers. After all, what's a 6th birthday party without party bags? The range also includes invitations, labels, place cards, gift tags, all the important stuff. What I really like about Avery is that once you've chosen a design, it's simple to roll it out across all their products. You can quickly give your event the wow factor, even though you've created it all yourself. Oh, and one last tip, don't forget to prepare the table early. You can then take your time to make it look perfect, as you're probably going to have your hands full later.